What happened to the snowman ball? What'd you do now? It's broken. What happened, Ethan? What'd you do to the snowball? Oh my God. What are you doing? You're eating the snow everywhere. Now where are you going? You gonna go on the bench this time? That's what I said. Let's go sit on the bench. Silly. And meanwhile, this guy refuses to come down the damn hill. I see a puppy. I see a little dog. What you got? Is that a snowball? Are you gonna fix the snowman with that? That's a snowball? Yeah. You gonna fix the snowman with that? Alright, let's see. You gonna fix the snowman? You gonna put it on there? What are you doing? You're just eating more and more of the poor snowman. There you go. Ethan.